Teerthanker Mahaveer University was established in the year 2008 and is recognized by UGC. The university is also accredited by NAAC with a B++ grade. TMU was ranked at number 54 position for private MBA by the Times of India in the year 2020. Interested candidates can apply to this university online. Teerthanker Mahaveer University courses and fees. Teerthanker Mahaveer University offers various courses such as BSc, BCA, B.Ed, BAE, Ed, BAB Ed, BSc Ed, BTech, BFA, BBLLB, BCom LLB, BALLB, BCom, BBA, B.Pharma, BP Ed, BPT and PhD. Eligibility of BSc, PCM, PCB in Class 12 with a 60% overall grade. Fee structure of BSc, 89,100 Indian rupees. Eligibility of BCA, 10+2 with mathematics at the 10th level. Fee structure of BCA, 88,100 Indian rupees. Eligibility of B.Ed, graduation in any stream with a minimum of 50% marks. Fee structure of B.Ed, 1.35 lakhs. Eligibility of BL, Ed, 10+2 in any stream with a minimum of 50% marks. Fee structure of BL, Ed, 2.16 lakhs. Eligibility of BAB Ed, 10+2 in any stream with a minimum of 50% marks. Fee structure of BAB Ed, 2.02 lakhs. Eligibility of BSc B, Ed, 10+2 in science stream with PCB, PCM with minimum 50% marks. Fee structure of BSc B, Ed, 1.67 lakh Indian rupees. Eligibility of BTech, G, Main, UPCET score, merit based on the percentage of marks secured in the qualifying examination. Fee structure of BTech, 4.17 lakhs. Eligibility of BFA, 10+2 in any stream. Fee structure of BFA, 2.12 lakhs. Eligibility of BBA LLB, 10+2 in any stream with minimum 45% marks. Fee structure of BBA LLB, 2.61 lakhs. Eligibility of BCom, LLB, 10+2 in commerce, science stream with minimum 45% marks. Fee structure of BCom, LLB, 2.61 lakhs. Eligibility of BA LLB, 10+2 in any stream with minimum 45% marks. Fee structure of BA LLB, 2.61 lakhs. Eligibility of BCom, eligibility, 10+2 in commerce, science stream. Fee structure of BCom, 1.08 lakhs. Eligibility of BBA, eligibility, 10+2 in any stream. Fee structure of BBA, 1.34 lakhs. Eligibility of B.Pharma, eligibility, 10+2 in science stream with PCBM. Fee structure of B.Pharma, 6.34 lakhs. Eligibility of BP.Ed, Bachelor's in Physical Education, BPE, BSc, BA in Physical Education, or graduation in any stream with Physical Education as an elective subject with minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Fee structure of BP.Ed, 1.13 lakhs. Eligibility of BPT, 10+2 in science stream with PCB and English subject. Fee structure of BPT, 4.34 lakhs. Eligibility of PhD, candidates must have a master's degree in a relevant field and a minimum of 55% marks in their master's program. Fee structure of PhD, 54,900 Indian rupees per semester. Teerthanker Mahaveer University placements. The placement numbers for Teerthanker Mahaveer University's class of 2021 have increased significantly. During the 2021 TMU placement drive, the institution placed 460 students from the computer science and IT streams and 100 students from the management streams. As per the TMU Placement Report 2021, there has been a 5% increase in the on-campus placements for IT and computer science compared to 2020. The university has also witnessed a 2.63% spike in management placements during the TMU Placements 2022. The average package of TMU is 5.8 LPA and riches as the highest package provided is 48 LPA. The university has witnessed a 40% increase in on-campus placements and a 64.28% decrease in off-campus placements. Teerthanker Mahaveer University scholarships. The university has provision for scholarships for students who are meritorious, talented and full of passion. All JAN students are given the following exemptions on certain programs: tuition fees minus 50% and hostel fees 40% for non-medical allied programs in nursing, paramedical, MSc, medical, and physiotherapy. Tuition fee 20% and hostel fees 20%. Tuition fee minus 10% and hostel fees minus 10% in pharmacy program.